Hey there, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I want to talk to you about a game-changing product. The Brickhouse Livewire Volt GPS international tracking device for cars. This 4G LTE wired tracker is not your average GPS device. It offers real-time 24/7 vehicle surveillance, easy installation, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your vehicle is secure. Let's talk about security and reliability. This tracking device is a secure and reliable option for tracking vehicle location and speed. With real-time monitoring, covert alarms, and precise routes, you can rest assured that your vehicle is in good hands. What's more, the installation process is a breeze, and our online videos will walk you through it step by step. You can also monitor your vehicle without the hassle of charging the battery, thanks to our easy-to-install GPS Vehicle Finder. With our mobile app, compatible with both iPhone and Android, you'll get real-time updates every 30-60 seconds via 4G LTE signals. Opt for our premium subscription to enjoy updates every 5 seconds and safeguard every angle, including blind spots. The best part? We offer affordable subscription options starting at just $17.99 a month. And with no contracts, you can cancel anytime for a hassle-free experience. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Brickhouse Livewire Volt GPS international tracking device for cars and take the first step towards securing your vehicle 24/7. Subscribe to our channel for more game-changing tech and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.